Okay, done. Okay, is that it? That's it. Awesome. Yes, I did it.
Hey guys, Adrian here. Today we're going to take a look at how VR is currently being used in training. This came at an invite from Fraunhofer. They do applied research and development services with focus on AI-based and trusted innovation for computer vision and immersive technologies. At their office recently, I get to try out their VR technology that they deployed to train elderly on how to use ATM machines and self-checkout counters. The same tech is being used to train trained technicians and how to react when there is a LNG fire on the ship. If you like what you're seeing so far, I appreciate if you can like this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be alerted of all future episodes. Here you have me gearing up for this upcoming session after getting a briefing from the representative from Fraunhofer. And the first thing that I'm going to try is this VR experience for elderly. Let's take a look. And what you can see right now is this very realistic virtual environment of me being in a supermarket. But before I test out the POS, let's go outside. Right now I'm going to head out first and go to the virtual ATM machine. So within this environment, there's actually two use cases. One is to guide elderly on how to make use of the ATM machine. And why is this important? Well, within a sandbox environment, you can do it multiple times and do all the mistakes that you want. So you won't panic in real life. Now I'm going to withdraw money from my savings account. I'm going to take out 50 bucks. I'm going to hide balance. And I'm just going to remove my ATM card right now and head back into the supermarket. So within this environment, the point of sale simulation is to teach you firstly, of course, how to scan your item. There's already a bunch of them on the counter. I'm just going to scan them through on the QR code through the scanner one by one. And once this is done, the next thing that I like to do is, of course, to make payment. Let's see. Oh, I'm not a passion card. I'm going to make payment here. Okay, I'm so sorry about this. It's taking a bit of time. Let me grab my wallet. Finally managed to get my ATM card out. I'm just going to tap there. Nah, I'm not going to need the receipt. And I'm done. Okay, now I'm just going to pack my stuff into my trolley. And that's it. I'm done for the day. The next VR training I'm going to get myself onto is on board of a marine tanker. And this specific one would be on teaching the individual how to respond to a LNG firefighting scenario, which could be prevalent in a situation like this. So right now I'm well aboard a marine tanker, and you can see from here overlooking this balcony is the sea, the open sea, and I can really get a sense of the height here. And this is really scary because I actually have a fear of height. Now what's going to happen next is I'm going to be experiencing a possible gas leak, and that is going to create a situation where I can go through a scenario on how to respond accordingly to this gas leak. You can see it is already happening. Okay, I'm seeing some smoke right now. That doesn't sound and seem good. Can anyone see me? I really need help here. Okay, now it's really up to me. I'm gonna grab the extinguisher and try to put out this fire as much as I can. Now, aren't you glad that's a VR and not real life? For the final part of my VR training, I'm going to become a trained technician. And within this environment, I will be interacting with a train carriage, learning how to operate it, learning how to go through the first parade task, how to set it up, and of course how to troubleshoot the system. Right now I'm just trying to turn on all the switches here one by one. And actually I could feel this happening because the glove actually comes with tactile response. So I could actually feel something as my finger run across the switches. With that done, now I'm just going to turn on some of the switches on the control panel and moving over here to check if the air conditioning is on. Okay, all things seems to be good. Now what's next? Now maybe I would need to turn on the engine here. Yep, I would probably need that. Let me just figure out where to put it in. Is it over here? Seems like it. Okay, I think I did it correctly. Now let me try to turn this on. Okay, I think it's down instead. Okay, nope, yep, I think that is the right level. Okay, the train is moving. Now I need to calibrate the speed here because one of the things that we'll be learning is we cannot accelerate too fast out from the hangar. So I'm just going to keep my speed, maintain the speed here to ensure everything is okay. And I think I did it! I managed to clear myself out of the hangar. I hope you find this video useful. Appreciate if you can hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get alerts on all future episodes. See you in the next video.